In this video, we are going to see how to make tasty, mouth-watering cakesicles without any cakesicle molds. So here I have taken my vanilla sponge cake which I have crumbled. Either you can take small packets of cake from outside from bakeries, or you can bake your own cake. So this vanilla sponge cake recipe link I will give you in the description box. You can also bake your chocolate cake or whatever cake you like. All the links I will give in the description box. Into this I am adding few tablespoon of lotus biscoff spread. You can also add Nutella or white chocolate ganache, dark chocolate ganache, whatever you want. I am also adding few tablespoon of strawberry gel. This is also available in the bakeries. You can skip this, or you can also add jam like fruit jam or whatever you like. You can also add milk or condensed milk if you want. So just knead this all together until we get a soft dough. Not exactly a dough, it should just hold its shape when we hold it like this. So now I'm making these cakesicle without any cakesicle mold. I'm going to shape it using my own hand and fingers. You can use cakesicle mold if you want. Those are available online and also offline in some stores. So you can just use your fingers and shape it like a ice cream the way I have done. You just need to press the edges and shape it like that. You can also shape it in any desired shape that you want, and for shaping you can also use some tools like spatula, but this is done very easily using your hand. You do not need any practice. This is done very easily, as you can see. And then insert ice cream sticks in each cakesicles. You then need to freeze this for 30 minutes in your freezer section. Here I'm chopping few blocks of white chocolate. You can also use dark chocolate. I'm using white because I'm going to color it afterwards. I'm going to melt it using double boiler. So this is total 300 gram of white chocolate, that is 3 blocks of Mode compound. Just for your information, a lot was left after I made my cakesicles. I used 300 grams just to be safe that I do not need to melt more. So you can melt less accordingly. Another reason that I melted 300 gram of this white chocolate was that I wanted to fill this tall glass till the top of it, so that when I dip my cakesicle I do not need to tilt my glass. So use a big tall glass for this. I have left some white chocolate for decoration at the end. Now I am adding few drops of red food gel color into this. You can add any color of your choice, or you can even skip this if you want. So it's been 30 minutes and my cakesicles are good now. They are holding their shape nicely. Also, before dipping your cakesicle into this white chocolate, make sure that your melted white chocolate is at room temperature. It is not hot. You just need to dip it once and then withdraw it and let all the excess chocolate drip off. This will take just few seconds. Be patient. The chocolate will immediately set on the cakesicle because our cakesicle is very cold. Do place these on a butter paper or a parchment paper which is placed on a plate. So these are done. Now I am just decorating the leftover white chocolate. I have filled it in a piping bag. You can also fill it in a plastic bag and just drizzle some over these. Now if you want to decorate this further with some sprinkles or anything that you want, you need to be very quick because this drizzled white chocolate will immediately set on your cakesicle. So here's a tip, that first drizzle one cakesicle and then add the sprinkles or whatever you want to add. I did the same mistake. I first drizzled all the cakesicle together and then I was sticking the sprinklers, so it wasn't sticking. Then I have to drizzle some more white chocolate and then it was sticking. So do not do that mistake. Look how cute and pretty the color, the shape, everything about this cakesicle have turned out. You can make these cute cakesicle at your home without any cakesicle mold. All you need is just a sponge cake of any flavor of your choice, or you can also buy some cake, small packet of cake from bakeries. So here's a bite. The strawberry plus biscoff, the flavor of this cake was just to die for.